Welcome everybody, welcome. Good morning. How is everybody doing? Good morning, Anna. Good to see you. Welcome, Gábor Dehan. Pálinka szép jó reggelt. Yeah. Always good to start the day with a snip of Pálinka, you know. So how was everybody doing on yesterday's NVIDIA news release? I'm guessing a lot of you guys full scented, right? Okay. Everybody was yelling. The FOMC report actually surprised me, to be honest. I wasn't expecting this much volatility, but still, you know, it was still awesome. Let me adjust the promo. All right. So I wasn't expecting that kind of movement. Bad, very bad. Come on. I was on band break. Oh, then at least you you didn't push the button. All right. Anna, come on. I hope it wasn't that bad. Let me see what is happening. What do we have today? Do we have any news? Anything worth to mention? Oh, we have the flash manufacturing PMI numbers in London session. All right. Could be seeing some volatility, hopefully. The unfortunate thing is I think I have to leave in 2 hours. So in this London session, I only have like 2 hours. Maybe I'll try to get back earlier for the New York session. It was that bad. Oh, no. No. Don't say that. Come on. A few evals or funded accounts as well suffered, maybe. I hope not. I hope fundeds are okay. Somewhat. At least. Somewhat okay. I hope so. All right. All right. Four evals from Apex, 1 BULENOX almost passed. So 4 evals have been blown, Anna, and 1 BULENOX almost passed. I mean, you still have 1 BULENOX, which almost made it. So, boss, good morning. Good to see you. And I totally forgot to give you guys an applause for being here early. So welcome everybody. I have to put this here. Hold on. I have to put out an urgent message. No, actually not. Just a second. There is something going on with my funded futures. The static account is down 40%, guys. So that's really something, and it's on until tomorrow. If someone wants to grab a nice static. Hey, Daniel. Good to see you. All right, let me check the charts. All right. Just a second. All right, just had to put out the pin message. Since the static is off today and tomorrow, until tomorrow evening. Good morning, Cosmo. For those that fail evals during rhythmic glitch, Apex is doing free resets. Yeah, I heard that. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. Welcome to insomnia. Yeah. Good morning, Trader G. Good morning. How are you guys? I know it's 2 a.m. in Eastern Standard Time, so you guys are, some of you guys might be night owls. Here in my time, it's 6 minutes past 8. So 8:06 in the morning. Good morning, Dark Cloud. Daytona Beach, Florida. Oh, that could be nice. I passed 250K. Wow, congratulations, Cosmo. Very nice strategy, guys. You deserve an applause. Definitely congrats on passing those accounts. That's why sometimes it's awesome when they do the 1 day pass, and for this price it was actually a great thing. I lost 350K and 250Ks. I'm a night owl. All right. Price is a big win. Definitely strategy. Absolutely. Hey Gabor, that's not a bad thing actually. I mean, 350Ks and 250Ks. So even if you add it together, the complete price is, I think it's manageable. So what's that? It's like 80 or 90 bucks, you know, and you had 5 accounts. So that's not bad. Froze up 4 times again. Not only you, yeah. Bernard, good to see you. Other people had same. I heard about that. I mean, I was checking some Discords and people were talking about that. Yeah. I guess there was such an overflow in buying those accounts for the news release at Apex that they just couldn't handle. And maybe it wasn't just really Apex. Maybe it was also an issue from Rhythmic and TradeAway, you know, creating all those demo accounts. So these are demo accounts, of course, and their server might not had the capacity to, you know, create all those accounts or whatever. I think their servers were a little bit overwhelmed during those news. Nice, Peter. Yeah, I heard about that. That Apex did complimentary resets for those accounts, which is actually a good thing, I guess. Of course, it's a good thing. Okay. What is happening? Let me check the look at the 5 minute. If we zoom out the 5 minute on Nasdaq, what do we see? It's like a 5 points range. I have a feeling, guys, that we're not gonna see anything here in London, unfortunately. I might have to spend more time and energy in the New York session or check on other assets. In this particular day, it could be gold. Remove drawings. Let's set up gold charts, all right? Set up some gold chart here. Daily midnight open. Previous day high. Previous day low. Okay, so this is gold. Not that I really want to trade this, but if we don't have any volume or anything on Nasdaq, what do we do, right? Anyway. I sold and caught that 25 points downtick on NQ about an hour ago. Yeah, you okay. You got this one, nice. That is awesome. That is awesome. That glitch put me to minus 900. Had to dig myself out of that hole. I ended up... You dig yourself out of minus 900 and ended up plus 650. I had to go heavy in minis on your new... Dude, you have diamond hands and nerves like... I don't know. Congratulations for ending up the day in that. Wow. Wow. Everybody was... I know it could have been frustrating. I was a little bit tempted to enter myself, but I didn't. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Today, let me check. Where's the account? It's here. It's there. It never shows my balance on that eval that we're trading together. Okay, now it's showing up. Okay. Okay, this should be fine. So we're waiting. Apex sale is going to end up today. So even if you just want to grab some 50k accounts or whatever, this is your last chance. I don't know when Apex gonna do the 90%. Everything's gonna go back to 80 from tomorrow. So that's the case. This looks terrible here. Absolutely terrible. I think the BULENOX sale is going to last until the end of the month, which is next Friday. So I'm guessing that after Apex is finishing up with the 90% sale, there's still going to be people who are going to go for the BULENOX 90% sale. Those 250Ks will reset at 80%. Right? Yes, exactly, Cosmo. I mean, I don't know if it's 80%, but $33. I don't even know how much is a 250k account monthly, so I have no idea. I know that the recurring months are gonna be $33. But you guys can check it out if you go to the checkout page. It should be showing up that the first month is like $18 or whatever, and recurring months. Or you can check it on your dashboard, the recurring months. It should be there. I think it's $33. So even if you keep the account, that's a good deal if you blow it, because, you know, Online safety, good morning. The levels, I saw your comment and you were right. Guys, whatever you think, online safety actually made an awesome trade call yesterday, not just once but twice. So yeah, two like perfect calls for the levels from online safety. And yeah, it was awesome. It was awesome. He actually was right that he told way before, like I think we were still in somewhere here after the market. Yeah, somewhere around here when online safety told that 150 points drop incoming. And so look at that. Boom. 150 points. He told that right here. He almost called it to the tick. Same happened with yesterday's gold. So nice call. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Okay. If you have any information, because I'm learning again about what could be happening with gold, let me know. I take it to consideration. You don't have to do it, I mean. But if you have any idea, let me know. Anything. Hey, just don't worry about it, online safety. You can take your time, we're here. You know, and you don't have to be absolute specific, you know. Just let me know if it should be going up or down, whatever. The question is, did he take that trade or not? Oh, I understand, DM, I understand it. Welcome, by the way. But still, the analysis was good. It was good. All right. Guys, this is the 1 minute Nasdaq. This is the 5 minute. Let's check the 15 minute. Maybe we have some target. There's a fair value gap at 34. Good morning, Marco. Sell side liquidity. Oh, not this one. Sell side liquidity at 34.50. There, I do like that. And we have the 19,000 level, guys, up there. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. 19K up there. It can happen. Very close. All right. I wish I could say like we have something to trade here. But there's just no setup that I see. Yeah, just no setup. No specific setup. I guess we just have to wait a little bit. The little bit could be like 2 hours. But it's normal. And by the way, guys, don't forget to push the like button And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I think we're gonna do the giveaway tomorrow. Lawnmower Man, he was working very hard yesterday. Today I did not hear him yet, but you know, it's just the morning is just starting out here, so he could come out because the weather is okay. So don't you worry, he will come. He will come. He already cut the grass 2 times this week, so he's behind schedule. Usually he has 3 rounds in the garden, and he had one on Monday, I think. Yeah, and yesterday he was cutting grass. He has to do one more because, you know, he has to. I miss him too. Yeah. I miss him too. But he yeah, so he's behind schedule. On average, I can fairly say that he cuts the grass at least 2 times a week, at least. I think it's a fair statement to say. Look at gold. Wow, interesting. Here we have the stochastic momentum index. All right. I know. This is Top G's table. I wonder if he's here, lurking in the background. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So this is interesting. This could have gone higher. Oh my god, this is just not moving anywhere. Not moving anywhere. I'm just, you know, fooling around here with the Heiken-Ashi candles. Not that it really means a lot here, but anyway, let's wait. Still need that move. And Q is going up. Well, actually, that's why I put the 19K level up there. Oh, by the way, I have a voice changer. Scalping the golds one freaking tick up and down, yeah. Let me know if you guys can hear this. It should be working. I have my friend Donald here, you know.
All right, listen up, everybody. This is Donald. And while Tom is out, I just want to tell you guys that Tom is a tremendous trader. He's trading with billions of dollars. He's a good one. And, you know, let's hope that he's going to succeed. He's trading with billions of dollars. He's tremendous. He's a winner. And we all love Tom. He's a great guy. You know, he's a winner like me because I'm winning. I'm always right. I'm winning. So Tom is a winner. Everybody support him. You know, push that like button. We have to push this stream to the moon. So Tom is tremendous, trading with billions of dollars. He's making lots of money. He's going to work exclusively for me. So he's the best. All right? All right. He comes back.
All right. So Donald was here. I don't even know. I didn't hear myself, actually. I didn't hear myself. That's supposed to be Trump's voice. But I didn't hear myself. So I don't know if you guys heard anything. I was just testing it. All right, it's going down. You should be visiting the 34. Shows the scale of the crisis AI can bring. Exactly. Okay, should be testing the 34 level. All right, should be going through. Should be going through into this 15-minute gap. The question, what is going to happen when we reach there? Would be nice to look for a potential continuation, so for a possible long. That would be nice. This is the 1 minute. Hey, Dominic. Ah, stopped out with $100. Man. By the way, just look at this one here. 34. I needed to send them a message also yesterday. It was a disaster. Yeah. I guess everybody had a disastrous PM session with all the connection and, you know, issues. But as much as I know, they are resetting everybody who had issues. All right, and this one should be breaking 34. Okay, and I just realized that Apex accounts are actually frozen. Yeah, it's official. The Apex accounts are frozen. We're stuck at 2 a.m. What is happening? Let me check the BULENOX. Okay, the other ones are okay. Apex rhythmic connection is technically done. So it's not moving, it's stuck at 2 a.m. I'm gonna try to disconnect. Let's connect again. I don't think it's gonna help. They haven't reset mine. They seem to be alive, but refuse to accept orders. Yeah, Apex is not working. I think they're working pretty much on that technical glitch. Working on your side. Okay, BULENOX still not accessible for 3 days now. How is that possible? Man, I don't get it. I don't get it. I never had that kind of issue with them. I reconnected, yeah. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, what a move we got here. Yeah. Yeah, Francis. Hey there, Southside player. Working on my side also. Hey Balázs, jó reggelt. Okay, so some people say that it's working, some people say it's not working. Okay, now it's okay. I reconnected Apex and now it seems like it's working. All right. I wanted to enter to a scalp here at 40 for a few points, but I missed the move. Anyway, should be taking out 34.50. I wanted to enter somewhere around 40 for at least 5-6 points, but it's just not gonna work out. That's why they were on sale defective. I think the huge number of sales were actually, it was not even, I think, an Apex issue, or I mean, it could have been because of TradeAway it couldn't handle the account creation process or whatever. It's not the first time, guys, in the past few years. I heard stories, I experienced myself some stuff, so this could be happening anytime. And not just with Apex. It happened with BULENOX, it happened... TOPSTEP didn't had this kind of issue as far as I remember. Well, actually, yes, they did. They did, sorry. Yeah, they did. I was still trading with NinjaTrader, but it was through Rhythmic. So yeah, TOPSTEP had the same. Always happens. What can we do, right? So anyway, yeah, it's working. All right, everything is working. They have issues from, yeah, everybody, all of these prop firms has almost the same kind of issues when there's a sale going on or the servers are overwhelmed. I'm not surprised, and yeah, gotta make sure when these events are coming and there's a sale, you gotta make sure that you're stacked up with those accounts, or you do what you can on your end using stop loss, etc. You know, proper risk management. Okay, we're through with the 34.50. I'm checking gold too, just for fun. Gold made almost like a relative equal low, but could still go higher. No structure shift. We have equal lows up there. Yeah, NQ had pretty much a run, and let's not forget we have the new day opening gap here. Almost forgot to put it right here. New day opening gap. All right. New day opening gap. It's not far actually. 934. Yeah, it's 100 points, I know. But we have the 19K, we have the new day opening gap, so pick a side. Pick a side. Where should we go? Okay, online safety is here with the gold info on futures. Sell limit at 2370. Okay. So up there. Okay, okay. Stop loss 74. Nice. TP 2350. Okay, I think I agree with that. 2357. Okay. I like that, actually. I do like it. Did you use some kind of a fib tool for OTE levels or somewhat? You know what? I like that trade. I do like it. I'm gonna make sure 2370 to remember it. Stop loss 74. A little bit tight stop, I think, but it's okay. 2357. Okay. Okay. 57 and 53. I'm gonna put an alert at 70. And let's see. I use many things, although I do not use any tools in Quant Hour for obvious reasons. Okay. Understand. But still, thank you for the call. I'm just, you know, for me, it's for studying, and for these reasons, I always like to learn how others are seeing the market, and that's why. you made some good analysis yesterday and before that, I think. So yeah, let's see. Judabark, hey, do you have a code for trade day? Yeah, sure. You can use the code TOPSTEP. Just as the other ones, I'm using TOPSTEP. So and there's a description down there below the stream, but it's case sensitive. But if it's not working, let me know, because I have another code too. If it's not working out, let me know. It should be giving you at least, because the biggest discount right now is 20%, I think. Maybe for new customers they have an extra, but the code should be upgrading. It's case sensitive, so all capital TOPSTEP, I think. And again, if it's not working, I have another one. Let me know. I have another one from trade day. Yeah, also, if it's not working, I do have another one. Or this one. One of those should be working. Pam 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 pam. Thank you, look so weird. Don't even know where to start. Well, yeah. Eliezer, hey, good morning. Good to see you. My MGC short order is now placed. Being here is very useful. Oh, you have the micro gold short order. I actually put it there as well with an alert, so if it triggers, I'm definitely will be following that trade. No, not yet. Actually, I don't have any trade set up here. This is just a paper trade. I'm following Online Safety's trade call. Not that I count on him or anything, but he made some good calls yesterday. So I'm just tracking this trade. I do think also that gold is going to do a new low, because right now it's relatively equal lows. Asia range is considerably large, so even London Open might not give you clean setups. I agree. Also keep in mind that we have the 19K level up there. Okay, guys, I have to get something in a minute, and I use the bathroom as well. I'll be right back. Today's the last day. Yeah. Today's the last day for the 90% sale, so go grab it with Apex. Today until midnight Eastern Standard Time, so last day. Then it will go back to 80% most likely, but make sure to grab it while it lasts. So we share with each other. That's a good thing. Exactly. We do not count each other. Yeah. Alright, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Push the like button and subscribe. There's going to be a giveaway too. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I'm here. Tom, have you ever used Take Profit? Yeah, I'm still using it. I using it since recently, a few days. Didn't really trade with them yet, but yes, I'm using them. Sorry, I just had to go out. Param pam pam param pam param pam 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 param. Yeah, I have. It should be also down there at the description, but let me check. I just started with them. I know I have a code. It's Tom Sabo, but I also have a link, but you know, this is Take Profit Trader. If you click on it, but the code should be working with Tom Sabo. So yeah, they're good. I think the payout policy is the best with Take Profit Trader, so I'm definitely going to I would like to work with them as much as I can. This is a 40% discount if you use my code and link. So yeah. And the payout policy, once you push the account to that level, to that threshold, it is awesome. One thing though, you have to remember with Take Profit Trader, as I went into the details, you can request a profit any day, anytime. If you make a profit, you can just use it as a cash machine. If you're in profit, you can just click it out, but there's a catch. If you make a withdrawal below $250, then there's going to be a penalty fee. I don't know if that's what they call it, but once they said it's kind of a penalty. The penalty fee is $50. So if you want to withdraw, for example, $200 on any given day, you make like $200 today and you click withdraw, they're going to process it and wire it on the same exact day, but there's going to be a $50 penalty because $250 is the threshold. So if you withdraw anything above $250, the withdrawal is free. So it's going to be free. Below $250, there's going to be a $50 penalty fee, as far as I understood. So if you make $200, you're going to get $150 on the same day to your account. So keep that in mind. That's it. Make sure to withdraw above $250. Otherwise, the payout policy is awesome. It's just awesome. Trade day has none of this, Matt. Well, I know. Every prop firm has differences. I know that. I know. That's why I also started out with trade day too. Gotta separate, guys. Gotta separate sometimes. But I can't trade them all, obviously, and I don't want to trade like 7 or 8 prop firms. These ones I promote and trade with them since month, and I took payouts from TOPSTEP, and I respect them. These are great ones, I think. You're welcome. But I think having 5 or 6 is way too much, even for me. I know I'm promoting these ones, but every prop firm has different pros and cons, You have to choose the one that fits to your personality, your trading style. Nowadays, everybody's talking a lot about trade day, so I'm gonna dig deeper into that. There's definitely something they do differently. So I want to dig deeper into trade days policies. Tripolar. If you're tripolar, well, I don't know what to do, Gabor. Best futures pairs to trade during London. I can't trade. So the in London, hard to say. I would say that, and that's why I want to pick up gold futures, for example. I do want to pick up gold. Because I think gold, well, not every day, because London is usually slow in every market. London session is slower than New York, but gold usually has better, I mean, bigger or faster, steeper moves than NQ in the London session. So that's why I might be thinking to pick up gold a little bit, but still haven't decided yet. I think it would be much more risk on my end. Yeah, waiting 3 months to withdraw all profits is a very big con. Which prop firm is that? Is that Take Profit Trader or Trade Day? Hey Gaurav, good to see you, Gaurav. How you doing? How is trading so far? How is trading? You're good. How's work? How is work and how is everything? That's Apex. Okay. I don't want to withdraw all the profits. I just want to make my, you know, my regular $1,000 withdrawals. Going well? All right. Work is good. Just finished your day. Oh yeah, yeah. It's getting nighttime for you. Gabor is trading gold. It moves good. Okay. Trade days allows only one account. Sucks. Yeah. NQ is... Oh yeah, totally forgot. Trade day allows only one account. Only one single account. The trade day. That's interesting, right? I mean, I'm not saying it's bad, but... You know, guys, I started trading prop firm. Of course, I was a noob. In 2018 with Audacity Capital. They are still working. It's a London-based prop firm, and I had to pay $200 per month for the 15K Forex account, and 200 pounds, sorry, not even dollars, 200 pounds per month for a 15K Forex account, and I could only trade Forex with a 1-to-5 leverage, and I could not have more than one account. So just saying, guys, the prop firm industry has eased a lot since then. Future rise, yeah. Yes, a second. One account is all I need, actually. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna get 100K or 50K using micros, pass the eval and get paid right away. There you go. I was looking for something to get payment faster. Yeah, so actually with trade day, if you manage everything correctly, you can get those payments faster. So you can use it also as almost like an income source if you trade everything correctly, if you do the risk management correctly. I started called TCA Futures in 2007. Wow. Oh man, in 2007 I was downloading Fab Turbo for MetaTrader 4 and I thought I'm gonna be a millionaire in a month. Need to go tough on step 2 stuff like other prop firms of building mandatory buffer. Yeah, understandable. Understandable. Be cautious. Whole London session is with high impact news. Oh yeah, we know. We have, and by the way, London opened up, so look at this. We have some news. 9:15 French. So we have the flash manufacturing PMI numbers in the London session. And I think I already told you guys that unfortunately I will have to leave in about an hour because I have an appointment to be at. So of course if I see a trade I will put it on, but that's what I have to do. Hey Fieldbird, hi Tom, glad to see you again. Love that you are consistent in trading. Thank you. Have you ever had a pay with take profit? No, not yet. I started to trade with them. I'm trying to build all these accounts, and it's super easy to get the evaluation. I realize that now. In the past couple of months, this year and last year showed me that there's lots of ways to get the evaluation account passed. All right. But getting the account to pay out, now that's a whole different thing, guys. I mean, and I don't want to blow away more funded accounts if I don't have to. And that's why I'm taking small baby steps. Trade day is the best one. I agree. I'm sick of all these extra rules. Okay, there you go. One more opinion. We're gonna have to check into trade day, guys. We have trade day coupons too. But it should be working. Actually, where is my trade day coupon? Hold on. Where is my trade day? All right. I'm gonna change. Give me coupon. I'm gonna give you the coupon right now. Give me a second. Give me a second. I have a coupon. Just give me a second. Trade day, best discount. Here you go. Okay. If anybody wants to open trade day, I do have coupons. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, everybody prefers differently. That's the beauty of it. By the way, there was no retracement to this fair value gap, but there is a fair value gap, and I might willing to take it, even though we have news. 14. Should I get it with 5 micros? All right, I'm placing a limit order here. Yeah. If it takes it, let's see if it's gonna take it or not. And for now, I mean, I have to agree that they do pay out faster. So that is true. That is true. I also like take profit traders, so I think they're cool. Take profit trader is awesome. So I would say that you know, it is a very good idea to build up a safety caution with take profit trader and then use them as a cash machine. You know, why not? All right, I'm in this trade. Goal is to I'm sorry. My microphone is a little bit extra sensitive today. I'm sorry about the background noises. Only that I'm not care about such things. Trade day is not for greedy traders, it's for steady traders. I like that sentence there. I suppose I could guess which trading platform I use, since trade day website gives zero information on the cost. You can just guess. Exactly. How a YouTuber blowing account trying to be rich fast. I treat mine like a checking account. This it is on the site online safe to trade away. Okay. So by the way, just saying, and there is so many. I always get some ideas of what to talk about in a raw video. But for example, I mean, a lot of people are complaining about not just about Apex rules, but whatever kind of rule which these prop firms make. Like for example, oh, I cannot trade the news. So let's stick with that. I know what I'm gonna say. It's not gonna be a rant or anything, but hopefully I'm not going to offend anyone with this. But this is my personal opinion, and I say this with respect to everybody who likes to trade the news. All right, so don't be mad at me. But many people are saying that, oh my God, I cannot trade the news because when there's news, I usually go in with 10 minis, or I use, you know, bracket orders on both ends, you know, buy stops and sell stops. Okay, so let's stop here for a moment or two and let's talk about trading, and let's talk about your goals. Kamil is so mad already. See? So let's talk about trading and your goals. Just ask one simple question. One simple question, guys, when it comes down to all these rule changes, and not just by Apex, we can say any prop firm, you know. Just ask one simple question. Drum roll, please. One simple question. Would you do that with your own personal trading account with real money, with your money on a real personal trading account? On a real personal trading account, would you put in, so let's face it, on a 50K account, usually you have $2,500 leverage, okay? So you don't be blinded by the 50K, all right? You have $2,500 leverage. That's all you have, $2,500. So take that and visualize that if you have $2,500 under your name at a futures brokerage, not a prop firm, a futures brokerage firm, under your name, real cash money, would you YOLO the same trade at news with 10 micros? Would you place bracket orders in both of the direction, for example? Would you do DCAing with minis, or even with micros on your personal real live money account? Just this single question. If any of those answer is no, then why is a problem with these rules, with these prop firms? Because me too. So I also wanted to game the system. We are all here because somewhere we are all here to game the system. Somehow we want to, you know, get there fast. But let's face it, you want to make a living from trading and not prop firms, because prop firms are just a stage in your trading career. If you want to pursue this goal, is it really a habit that you want to build? If you will have your $2,500 on your personal real live money account, are you going to trade like that? Because I don't want to trade like that on my personal live account. Never ever. So I don't care about not trading the news or, you know, all these other stuff, YOLOing funded accounts, because I would not do that with my real money. That's it. I would rather go with $50, $70, $100 here and there. So that's why I said I'm not even reading the chat right now. I'm not looking at the chat, but I'm going to read the chat. It might be offending to some of you guys, but I say this with respect because that's what I think. And let's face the reality. Reality check is that you would not do it with your, maybe some of you guys, of course, if you have hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars in your bank account, you don't mind to blow away like $2,000 on a futures account on your name, right? But most of us, for me, $2,500 is a good money, is a good chunk of money. I would not do that. Okay, So now I'm going to read the chat. I'm guessing everybody is throwing knives at me or whatever. All right, let's see. Camille, all right. Stand corrected. Yes. Nope. But I am mad as a cow. You're mad. All right. You can't put it that way. If trade the news, no stops. That is how I trade. Not okay, Daniel. Understand. You won't have rules on your personal. You won't have 30% and so on. That's true. That's true. I'm going to add to that. That's true. Absolutely. Absolutely. I agree. That's why I said with respect. And there's a point. But you wouldn't pay a monthly subscription with your own personal account. Well, I'm talking about the funded account, not the evaluation account, but that's the point. So once you have the funded account with the activation fee, blah, 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 you should be having it around $200, right? So you pay $200 on average and you get like $2,500 leverage, okay? So for $200 in exchange, you get $2,500 leverage on a 50K account. So let's just stick with the funded accounts. Exactly. Okay. But you wouldn't have to wait 10 days to withdraw your own personal account. That is also true. That is also true. Although some brokerage firms do wait for 2 or 3 business days at least whenever you click on withdrawal. But I do agree with you, F. You don't trade day either. They pay daily. Apex and others make you wait. Use the prop firms to build your personal, but personal is completely different. I have a trade open on micros for 3 months now in profit. With prop, you can do that. There you go, AS. You wouldn't talk this way if you weren't earning commissions from prop. Just be honest. Absolutely. I absolutely say I agree, AS. I wouldn't talk this way. I mean, just partially because I do earn commissions, which keeps the stream alive. But anyway, I'm sorry if I. Of course, with YouTube, I'm making $100 per month, and let's face it, if I do this full time, and I do want to push the channel, I would not be able to do this without the commissions. Exactly. The issues with prop, the issue with props is trailing drawdown and consistency rule. It punishes you for letting your winners run. Prop traders have small winners and losers that, but make most of it cash on big. Yeah, I understand. If you're honest, yeah. Days with cash runners, yes. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, I always told you guys, and AS, I'm sorry, I did not want to. That's why I said no. I like prop firms, and not just because I earn affiliate commissions by the support of you guys, which I'm very grateful. But I also like prop firms because if you follow proper risk management and trading rules, why would you put in your own $2,500 if you can manage by the rules? I mean, you know, as I just said, you put in like $200, you get a $2,500 leverage on a 50K account, right? So, of course, I would go with the prop firm to trade, instead putting my own $2,500 on a personal account. So that's a good thing, I guess. But yeah, I did not deny it. Not yesterday, not weeks ago. I was talking about this since months. This year I earned, last year I did not earn any commission from affiliate programs or anything. And I told you guys I could not be here without your help for supporting. Of course I'm promoting prop firms. Yes, this is a full-time job for me until I don't reach that level as consistency in trading. So, and by the way, just saying, let's just name 1 or 2 YouTubers out there, for example, Patrick Wieland, or I don't even know. But for example, Patrick Wieland makes tons of money from affiliate commissions. He never even denied it. He said like last year he made a portion from trading, and he made like 70 or 80% of his income from affiliate deals, sponsorships, and promotions. Just saying. And he also said that if the money he made from trading itself would not be enough for him to make a living last year. I know he said that in one of his streams, but anyway, let's not go deep into that. I'm just saying that some of these trading influencers, maybe not even saying or they denying it, or they keep quiet, like how much money they make from affiliate commissions. Do they make a living from trading? Yeah, so ICT also makes monthly $30,000 from his YouTube, at least $20,000. Last year, I think he had to make like $200,000 or something from his YouTube at least, because he has such a high following and the view ratio. He has these long videos and stuff like that. So he makes a huge chunk of money from his YouTube. I can show you guys how much money I make from my YouTube. Actually, I don't even know. I think last month I made $168. That's gross profit. The net profit was $138 because of tax and stuff like that. I don't even know. I'm gonna show you revenue. Here you go. Here's my YouTube revenue. Since I'm getting revenue in the last, for example, 360 days, I made $432. Last month I made 187. That's not the net profit. I made like 138. This was even less. This month I'm making way less than the previous month. I don't know why. I guess I had that video last month. It was about, I don't even know what was it about. So yeah. You have to pay taxes. Yeah. The thing is that the payout with YouTube, which is Google AdSense, is very strict about paying tax and everything. You have to sign papers and such. Morning, Michael. All right, let me see what you guys wrote here. A trading account is not a checking or savings account. You should not be taking money out every few days. I agree. That's why I prefer TOPSTEP. No intraday drawdown and no consistency rule. You're not punished for big days when you're cash to trend. I have read the Apex rules and agree with them. It supports long-term traders with real strategy. Yeah. I do it in Daniel and it's fine. Okay. Yeah, with ICT. But he says as well that he's a YouTuber, not a trader. Respect for that. ICT is just a scam. There is nothing wrong with earning commissions and YouTube income as long as the viewer aren't being conned. Yeah, online safety. All right, Gabor. I used his concepts, but I would love to see him trading live like Trade by Matt. Yeah, I still can't trade, but he's a phenomenal. He's a very good lecture. I mean, he gives awesome lectures about trading and trading mindset. That's what I think. So YouTube income shows rising. It's actually, I'm having a much worse month. This month is going to be much worse than the previous month. Michael, hey there. Sounds like all bad traders are a good YouTuber. Could be. Yeah, could be. If a trader has a system that allows them to take out daily profits, then good for them. Yeah. What is good for one? Yeah, exactly. Anyway, I'm gonna repeat it once more, and I'm sorry I'm saying it. I do make more money from affiliate commissions to make a living than from trading, because this is my journey. I'm not consistently profitable. I took out $4,200 from October till December at TOPSTEP. It is documented. This year I only took out $350 in February. That's all I took out this year. And since the end of March, I'm earning affiliate commissions with the help of you guys, and I'm super grateful. And I will always say, if you can support the channel, please do so, because I'm doing this full time, but I'm making my daily living as of this right now, technically from affiliate commissions. Yeah. There you go. That's how I make it. But the goal is, of course, to turn that around and to get those payouts. I told you guys my goal is to make at least $4,000 or $5,000 in the second half of the year in a month. And on a 3-month average, I would like to make at least $3,000 to $4,000 per month. And if I build up these funded accounts with these multiple prop firms, currently I have like 7 or 8 funded accounts. I'm not going to copy trade them all, because on a bad day I can lose them. I'll try to build it slowly, very slowly, and if I reach that that threshold, my goal is only to withdraw like $1,000 from each of these accounts constantly, and then I always have to work on the next $1,000 profit. I always withdraw 1,000, work on the next 1,000. So that's a plan. I want to turn this around. That's the goal, because living and making money from commissions, from affiliate commissions, that is good, but it's not a safe future online here. Either way, I have to provide much more and better content on YouTube, but it's super hard because YouTube is not really paying all that much if you have a small following or whatever. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Tom, would you agree that many YouTube traders lie about withdrawing tens of thousands each month from trading at prop firms? I don't know. Maybe some of them are withdrawing tens of thousands, but they are not talking about how much money they spent on challenge accounts or activation fees, whatever, you know. Personally, I could not name a popular YouTuber who might be faking his results, or that's why I say, even if he or she is pulling out money from prop firms, they are not talking about how much they spent, how many challenge accounts they spent, you know. It would be great to see the whole picture. Using the wrong approach. When I streamed, prop firms were not really popular, but if they were, I definitely would have put an affiliate link. The more systems, income is better. Yeah, I have 60K followers and never made anything from YouTube. Yeah, I remember High Mountain Trader, you talked about that. Yeah. I am making you want to make a month, but go. Yeah. Oh, look at this. I almost reached my take profit, and now it's going to take out my stop. You have a good plan. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Morning. Hey, John. You said once that your trades were copied. Does that happen automatically, or is it something you have to set up yourself? I set up my copy trader with Quant Hour, John. There's a, if that's what you're asking, I do have a copy trader bot here where I use my funded accounts, some of them, not all of them. These are all funded accounts with BULENOX and Apex. It's called FlipBot or Flip All, because once a week I try to flip these as well with 1 micro. So Quant Hour is good for this, if that's what you're asking. You have to set it up for yourself. Good morning, Peter. Going through loads of accounts, you have to spend money to make money. Yes, exactly, AS, exactly. Plus, you need to understand that guys like my buddy, the methodical man, Alan, does this full-time 9-10 hours. Big difference. Yeah, I try to do this full-time as well, guys. So just like Gabor said, interesting, yeah. I spend 4K a month and take out around 15K. Nice one, AS. Congrats, congrats. Is there a process that you can do to monetize your videos? Yes, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of views, and you can monetize your videos. Oh yeah, you're asking High Mountain Trader. I think High Mountain Trader could be easily reaching that number, by the way. Do you think your trading would be better if you didn't stream, or do you think it keeps you more accountable? It keeps me more accountable. Peter, very good question. For me, it keeps me more disciplined and more accountable. I just lost this one. So it keeps me more accountable for my trades. Yes. That's what it puts me into a bigger pressure as well, because when I look at the chat, and I love you guys, but when I look at the chat, everybody says, do this, put a stop loss there, put a take profit there, it's gonna go down. No, you put the wrong, it will be going up, it will be going down. Or the other one, I told you it's gonna go down, I told you it's gonna go up, I told you to do this, I told you to do that. So I understand and I respect you guys. and I love the opinions from everyone. That's why sometimes I just focus on the chart. I don't read the chat because I want to see what is happening. But I understand that puts you into pressure, but also being here with you guys online on stream helps me to practice a little bit more discipline. Helper Trainer has published how much he earned and how much. Oh yeah, I saw that. He made like 250K and spent like 20K or 20 something or 15, I don't even know. Oh no, or he made 200K and spent like 20. Anyway, he spent 10% and he made like 90% something. Good morning, Buzz. Good morning, good morning, good to see you. Anyway, I lost this trade. So what now? Are we gonna go lower? That's the question. Also, I start to realize something very important, and you guys, you know, it might be good information for you guys, especially if some of you guys are still not consistently profitable like I am. Sometimes using a mechanical system takes off the pressure. I'm going to repeat that once more. Sometimes using a proven mechanical system with a proven edge takes off the pressure from trading. That's it. Because you can take all the ICT classic reversal setups in the chart. At the end of the day, if you end up in negative, you're going to get confused because you don't know how and how to measure all these trades. But anyway, I have traded for 7 years and I would not trade live with the chat. Too much noise. Sometimes, I mean, of course, there was some days. Yeah, true, right, Michael? So there were some days when I had to stop streaming for the session. Like, it was nothing personal against anyone, but I just saw too many opinions. What I should have done, what I should have don't do, or you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda, blah blah blah, and I said, okay guys, I think I'm done for the day because it's too much for me. But I respect everybody's opinion, and again, I'm very grateful for the support. I'm very, very grateful for the support. And I know that from your side, it could be feel like I'm bragging. Yeah, when I'm promoting these prop firms. But right now, this is my income. And I'm trying to build YouTube. I have some ideas. I talked to an expert too. But, you know, editing videos and everything, it's just, you know. Backseat drivers. Yeah, I have respect for anyone who live streams. It's hard. I'm profitable, but I don't know. I know I would fold while streaming. Yeah. YouTube views don't pay much. Yeah, as I just showed you guys, I make $100 per month from YouTube. Most of the money YouTubers make as affiliate. Exactly like High Mountain Traders says. Sponsors and affiliates. If I pass the 150K, how much do I have to pay for the activation? I have 5 days of trading. It's a one-day pass, so if you pass it until the end of the month, you can pay $85 a lifetime fee. So only once $85. If you don't pass it, we love you, Tom. Oh, Fritz, thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. So if you don't pass it until the end of the month, you have to pay $320, I think, a one-time lifetime fee. You can go with the monthly fee of $85. So there's a monthly fee for the 250K. If I would not be able to pass the 250K account by the end of the month, and for example, I would have passed it in next month, I would choose the monthly $85, I think, because if you think about it, you should be able to get some payout in 2 months, even in 3 months, right? The 3 times $85, you should be getting some payout from that account. So I would go with the monthly fee after that. How much Fluffy you make from affiliates covers your rent? Yeah, so Edgar, a good question. I know Methodical Man shared you how much he makes. I'm not making that much from affiliates. I'm going to tell you in just a second. So in my country, I told you guys, we make around $900 per month, an average salary here. I do have to cover rent. I have a mortgage to pay, or loan, or whatever. Sorry, loan. I have to cover rent. I have a loan to pay. I have bills. I have also, you know, expenses, some unexpected, some expected, food, everything. So to make a living in a month, the bare minimum I have to make, the bare minimum, that's the least I have to make just to survive, is at least $1,800. So I'm super honest with you guys right now, because nobody's watching the stream anyway. Just joking, of course. So $1,800 is the bare minimum I have to make in a month, so I can say, okay, I can survive somehow. With that being said, I made more than $1,800 from affiliate commissions last month. And I'm going to tell you a number right away, but I can tell you that even though I made more money than $1,800, some portion of that money, which I made above that $1,800, I spent some money on giveaways. I spent money on a website which is coming soon. I spent money, activation fees. I spent evaluation account fees. I spent some more. I mean, you get the picture, right? So with that being said, I can tell you that, and exactly, Daniel, exactly, I just want to say, we have taxes. So, so what I can tell you guys, if I have to spend activation fees, evaluation account, giveaway money, which I know I will be continuing, there are some expenses that I have to count with the online presence. And I told you guys, I just spoilered this. There's going to be a website coming soon. My blog is going to change. Everything is going to change, which of course is going to have affiliate promotions, just saying, so don't be surprised. So I do spend some money above that. And just to make it clear, last month I made a little bit more than $3,000 from affiliate commissions. There you have it. That's my number. This month I'm not making that money. This month, all I can tell you, and I do have to pay tax. I do have to pay tax, and the tax is around, if I'm doing it smart, is about 20%, 25% at least. I have a small company formation. I have a good accountant. She helps me with the books and what I can write down. I can write down the activation fees, the evaluation fees, stuff like that. So that's good, deducting from income. But yeah, this month is going to be a little bit less profit from affiliates, but it's not a problem. I can manage. But hopefully the payout, I mean the profit from trading should be coming in soon, and that's what I'm trying to aim for. I want to make sure that I can turn this around. I want to make more money from trading income than from affiliate commissions. Yeah, you're welcome. Howdy, Oracle. Hey there. Good to see you. And you, I don't think I can. I want to enter in this long position. I don't think so. Make $50 with one funded account times 10 accounts, 10 days. Exactly. Exactly. Hey, Leonard. Hey, something important to remind is that with an account of 250K, you should make 6.6 for a safety net before make a withdrawal. If you think it's difficult, make 600. Exactly. So guys, I know everybody is into, I told you guys I like the 50Ks more. And Leonard just said a very important thing. Which one is easier to make a payout, to reach a payout? To go for $6,600 to withdraw your first payout, or to go to $3,000 to reach your first payout? Which one is easier? I think going for the $3,000 is easier, mathematically speaking. Also, on a 250K account, and I'm not saying 250Ks are bad. Those are great because, of course, more profits. But, you know, on a 250K account, you have to go for a 15K profit, and you have to use, you have like $6,500 or I think $6,500 threshold, something like that. So make 15K with 6,500 or make 3,000 with 2,500. Which one is easier? I guess you know the answer, right? When Quanthour copies your trades, do you have enough money in your account to cover your copy trading? Why not just go into the trade with more money? Sorry, I Do not fully understand. Maybe I don't understand the question either, so let me read it again. Do you have to have enough money in your account to cover your copy trading? If there is not enough money on your account, obviously the trade copier is not going to be able to function on that specific account that you're copy trading. So you have one account which does not have enough margin or leverage or whatever, then of course the copy trader is not going to be able to trade on that specific account, if that's what you're asking. Why not just go into the trade with more money? I don't understand. I know I'm stupid. I'm the one. I don't understand, but I think that's what you're asking. How do you verify your identity at Apex? Do you have to provide them with an ID? Yes, exactly. Exactly just how you said it. ID and selfie. ID and selfie. I did it with an online application. I just had to hold my phone and, you know, look left, right, you know, cough, you know, stuff like that. But yes, yes, exactly. Exactly. By the way, I didn't say that, but my funded future is doing a flash sale today and tomorrow, 40% off from the static account, $180 for a static account, which is the nearest thing to a regular Forex challenge account, you know, for a month, of course, 180 per month. But even if you pass it in 2 months, that's $360 for a 50K static account. I mean, $180, no cap on withdrawals, no consistency rule, whatever. So I think it's a good deal. TOPSTEP confirmed increasing the number of XFAs next week. Nice one. By the way, I hope they're not just doing it on the TOPSTEP X. I hope they're doing it on other platforms too. People does not realize we only learned this with TOPSTEP past. We don't have 50K account or a 3K account that you lose. Exactly. If you double your account, you will be able to withdraw. Exactly. 180. Is there no activation fee? So if you use my code, and I think there is a promo somewhere. Here it is. So 40% off only until tomorrow. I don't know if you guys can see it. So 40% off, $180 until tomorrow. No trailing drawdown, no buffer zone, no consistency, no activation fee. Nothing like that. Yeah. So rather than go into your trade one contract, why not go in with 2 contracts rather than copy trade? John D, I like you. I do. And all my respect to you. I think you're great. I still don't understand. I'm stupid. I'm sorry. rather than go into your trade one contract, why not go in with two contracts rather than copy trade? So open multiple trades without the copy trader on these accounts. Why not go in with two contracts? Okay, I think that's what you're saying. So open up the accounts separately next to each other and open a buy order on one and another one on the second account separately. I don't know. Anyway. I bet it's just TOPSTEP. Yeah, that's what I fear of. I think they're just doing it on TOPSTEP X. Said more XFA on, yeah, TOPSTEP X only. That's the problem. I think that they are so much promoting TOPSTEP X, which is understandable, but they don't want to push it to other platforms. Obviously, if traders realize this will impede them psychologically. Yeah, there's less risk if you blow the accounts. You have a drawdown limit, so you are spreading the risk. I see. Okay, now I'm trying to get it. The idea behind copy trading is spreading the risk. Multiple that you can trade smaller trades and not feel the stress. Yeah, he's saying instead of copy trading 1 minute per account, just trade one account with. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, that's it. Just trade one account. Yes, I could do that. Sometimes that's why I'm not trading constantly all my accounts together. By the way, I do flip them once every week, just so they get flipped with one micro. But I actively trade. I have 7 funded accounts, maybe 8. I don't even know. So I'm actively trading on 2 or 3 funded accounts. The other ones are just sitting there. I'm not touching them. Just saying. 2 or 3 funded accounts I'm trading. The other ones are there. I'm flipping them every week, but they're just sitting, not doing anything. Few dollars here and there every week, but that's it. So what is the benefit of copy trading? It's because someone does not have enough money. Okay, so copy trading comes in handy when you're trading multiple funded accounts or evaluation accounts. So for example, copy trading evaluation accounts is very good. Let's take an example, the Apex sale or the BULENOX sale. If you want to YOLO some of these accounts with the 1-day pass, it's easy to put on the trades and manage the trades on a specific news release or a bigger move, right? So it's easier to copy trade it. It's very good actually when you want to go in big and aggressive on evaluation accounts. For example, if you would have 10 evaluation accounts, you can separate them to groups, like 2 or 3 groups maybe, and you can group trade them, or you can hedge them against each other with different prop firms. There's some strategies if you want to game the system, which we talked about. You can do whatever you want on the evals. On the funded accounts, it's a different story. On the funded accounts, if you have more or multiple funded accounts, like more than 7, 8, 10, 15, whatever, I would suggest trading them one by one could be a very, very slow process. So you have the opportunity with that many funded accounts to copy trade the same way like in groups. Like you can copy trade 2 or 3 funded accounts in groups, right? So that's what I try to do as well. I copy trade 2 or sometimes 3 accounts in a group, and that way, and I trade with micros, and that way those trades are adding up much faster on those funded accounts. Of course, if I lose, the same goes around as well, but anyway. Copy trading gives you the tool to, speed up the process. If you have multiple evaluation or funded accounts, you can trade one by one, but I guess it's gonna take a little bit longer. But I think if you have 7, 8, 10 or more funded accounts, then copy trading is useful. Creating groups. Spreading risk. Anyway. I only took that one trade and it took me out, and now I just don't know what to do. Alright. It will probably consolidate, yeah. That's what I think too. The silver bullet hour is over, actually. What time is SB hour? Silver bullet is at from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Yeah, that's the classic silver bullet hour, 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. All right, guys. Unfortunately, I have to go because I have an appointment. I have an appointment that I have to be at. So sorry that I have to leave you guys here, but I'll be back in the New York session. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, we have the last day for Apex. Stack up those accounts. Thank you for the support and the good chat. I had a loss this session, but that's not a big deal. And I love you all. You guys are great, and thanks for the support and everything. I'll be back in New York. Hopefully we'll push the New York streams a little bit more, all right? The New York streams should be awesome. Thank you so much again. You guys are great. See you later, all right? Cheers, everyone.